Hello, this is a quick video to show how to calculate surface area and volume for a 3D object in Blender. I'm using Blender 4.2. We need to install add-on for calculating surface area and volume. So we can go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Get Extensions, and we can search 3D Print Toolbox, and then we can click Install to install this add-on. Now we can close this window, and then we can press N to show the sidebar. We can press N again to hidden the sidebar, or we can use the small arrow, click it to show the sidebar. And then we can go down to 3D print, and we can have the button area and volume. Make sure that we select the object and then click area, so we can see the surface area of this object. That is 24 square meter. For the volume, we can click it, and it will show X cube meter. Let's say we scale it. I press S to scale up it, and then we can press again to update the volume. Press area again to update the surface area. We can see that the units is square meter. If we want to change the units, we can go to Scene Properties, and then go to Units. The default setting in Blender is meters. Now we can change it to centimeters or millimeters, or if we want to use feet or inch, we can change unit system to imperial, and then in length we can choose inch or feet. I will choose feet, and then we can press the button again, so the units change to square feet. So this is how we can calculate surface area and volume for a 3D object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.